All right.
Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa Shark do 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 do. Grandpa.
Oh, hey, everybody. Hi. Guess what? Today we're going to have such a fun tour of all your bedrooms. After the tour of your bedrooms, we're going to have a very interesting story about your bedrooms. This is going to be so much fun.
Here's my bedroom. We have my dresser, my closet, my couch, my chair, my little vanity to get ready, my other wardrobe, and my bed and my nightstand. Bed and my new sheet. Do you want to show her what's down there? And we've got drawers. There's 2 drawers with some books and stuffed animals. And my painted walls. Yeah, so we painted his walls blue. And then we organized it, right? See that? We got you a new light. You like the light? Yeah, we painted his radiator. The doors. And it's all organized. Do you like it? Mhm. Yeah? Yeah. Good.
Knock, knock. Bennett, are you still sleeping?
What time is it?
Don't you know you have school today? You have a science test, a spelling test? Better get down there.
This is my room where I hide from my brothers and where I play with my cousins when they come over. I like bugs. I like bugs. Black bugs. Green bugs. Bad bugs. Mean bugs. Any kind of bug. A bug in a rag. A bug in the grass. A bug on the sidewalk. A bug in a glass.
All right, this is the girls' bedroom, Eleanor and Ava. Got a nice sign here. And here's Dominic's room and Elisa's room. Got the hoop. All right, here's Rosie's room. Say hi.
Hi!
Some books. Got a dresser. A picture from Uncle Christian. Curtains. TV. Baby doll crib. And this is how Rosie wanted to make her bed today. Don't know what that's about, but there we go. Here's Field's room. Oh, what are you doing? This is Zeke's room.
The title of our story is Monkey Invader. Monkey got off the bed and crawled up to the top of the shelf in Grandma's bedroom. He's going out the door now. He's crawling off the porch. Oh no! Where did the monkey go? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He's in Bennett's bedroom! Some crazy music for Bennett. Oh my goodness, Bennett, you better get out of your bedroom. Fast.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Where did the monkey go?
I like bugs. I like bugs.
Theo, watch out! He's in your bedroom.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Where did the monkey go?
This is my room where I hide from my brother.
Sylvie, watch out! Watch out! It's a monkey flying above your bed.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Oh no! Where did the monkey go? Rosalie, there's a monkey in your bedroom. Rosalie, there's a monkey in your bedroom looking at you. Looking at you. Rosalie, get out.
Better get down there.
Oh no. Oh no. Where did the monkey go?
Room.
Field! Monkey is in your bedroom. He's looking at you. Oh my goodness. Look at that silly monkey. What is he doing? Get out.
Better get down there.
Oh no. Where did the monkey go? Oh, it's baby Zeke, and look, that monkey is looking at baby Zeke. All those monkeys are looking at baby Zeke. Oh no! Where did the monkey go?
All right, this is the girls' bedroom, Eleanor and Ava.
Hi, Ava and Eleanor. Oh, Eleanor and Ava, the monkey is in your bed too. Oh, they're watching you as well. Watch out.
Better get down there.
Oh no. Oh no. Where did the monkey go? Dominic, look what's in your bedroom. Oh my goodness. It's that monkey. Oh, what is he up to? What is he doing? He's running around on his head. Get him! Get on your bike! Oh, Dominic, get on your bike! Get him! Wow, Dominic, you got the monkey. Oh no! Where did the monkey go? Oh, Elise, look who's in your bed. Elise, it's the monkey. Oh, Elise, that monkey is so happy that you're feeding him.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Where did the monkey go?
Bad in my new sheet. Do you want to show her what's down there? And we've got
Sebastian, it's a monkey under your bed. Sebastian, it's a monkey that came through your window. Sebastian, it's a monkey.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Where did the monkey go? Oh, Olive, look! The monkey is with you and Murphy in your bed. Pet the monkey. Pet the monkey.
Better get down there.
Oh no! Where did the monkey go? Hey, I hear something. I'm gonna go and look outside. Oh, I see the monkey coming down the sidewalk. He's coming in the door. He's going up the steps. Oh, look. He's going back in the bed to sleep. Well, that's the end of the Monkey Invader story. And next time we're going to have another crazy story. I love you. Let's do something really nice for our family. And let's just relax, guys.